Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a board cover on Pinterest. Once you have your boards that you've created, you can quickly access those boards by clicking your profile in the upper right hand side. Here it's going to take you over to your save ideas, and here you have pins and you also have boards. The pins are basically what you will create for yourself, but in my case I haven't basically pinned anything or having a save pin here, but the boards will show me where I create those boards. Now, to quickly add a board cover, you want to hover over any board that you have created and you'll find a pencil icon in the lower right hand side. Clicking that, it's going to take you into the edit mode of that board, and here at the top you have the board cover. Click on that, and here you can choose from any pin that you have within that board to represent the board cover. So in my case, I'm going to take this middle one here. Select that, and guess what? You can always move it around to match what you like. I'm going to leave it like around here and click on done. And now this is going to represent my board cover. All you have to do is simply go ahead and click on done. And guess what? This is representing my board cover. If I go ahead and I refresh, you will see that I have it as my board cover. Now, the board cover just simply means that is the bigger portion of the board picture that you can see. By default, if you don't choose any, the more pins that you've put in the board is going to choose one for you. In this case, there's only one image, and it's just selecting that one as the board cover. But you can always change this at any point in time. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.